Oh, ang cute. What do they have here? Nice. Lorelai, look. You're gonna have a hard time putting it together. I know, right? Over 1,000 pesos. And I got the, yes, mealworms. Ay, nagmahal na siya. Yeah, hello. I'm back for the mealworms, dried meal. So is that the only mealworms you got? The mealworms, dried mealworms.
Dried ones?
Uh huh. That's it. Because the last time we got it.
You're looking for a bigger bag?
I just because the last time it was in a different package.
For the dried mealworms?
Yeah, I was here before too, but because it takes me a long time to feed it for my lizards, and they like it, so I like mix
We
it.
have the live ones.
I already have that. I just want the mealworms if.
Yeah, that's the biggest bag that we get.
Oh. And smaller. But that's only like the size you have right now.
That's the only size we get.
Okay.